Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cook and clean with me, so if you're interested, just come along with me. So tonight for dinner we were having some Mexican food, so I'm just making some refried beans and ground beef because we are going to have some tacos, tostadas, and bean burritos. And I'll typically season my ground beef with garlic salt, so that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just starting out by browning the beef, and while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the refried beans. I like to doctor up my beans, so I'll add butter, garlic salt, and a quarter cup of water just to thin them out a little bit. And then I'll also add a few more things to it when it's done. But I'll go ahead and pop these in the microwave and with the cover on it for about 3 minutes. While the beans are heating up in the microwave, I go ahead and finish up browning the ground beef, giving that a good stir, and then I'll go ahead and get the condiments ready. The beans will stay warm for a few minutes in the microwave until I get everything prepared. Once the meat is all done cooking, I will go ahead and drain it, and I just use a bowl lined with tin foil so I don't dump any of this grease down the drain. And I will go ahead and rinse my meat a couple times just to get all that extra fat off to save in calories. And it's helpful to use a little splatter guard, and that just helps prevent getting grease all over the stove. Another thing I like to do while I'm cooking is to clean up as I go. So right now I'm just loading up the dishwasher with some extra dishes that were in there from earlier that day. That way come time after dinner, all I have to do are the few dishes that we used. Now that the beans are done, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. The butter is all melted and the water's still there, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a good stir. And then I like to add sour cream to mine just to make them a lot more creamy, and then I'll sprinkle in just a little bit of cheese. On this night, all my boys wanted something different, as you will see here. So here's dinner. Everybody wanted something different. This one's mine, tostada and taco. My oldest wanted 2 soft tacos. These are pretty big tortillas, but 2 soft tacos. My youngest loves tostadas, and he might have something else when he's all done with this. And Levi, my middle one, wanted a bean and cheese burrito. So that's it. And when my husband gets home from work, he'll probably have a taco and a tostada, but we'll see. This little munchkin wanted a bean and cheese burrito too.
And I love tostadas.
You love tostadas. So we'll see if he eats all this. And boy, did he eat all that. All right, so now that we're all done, it's time to clean up. I'll usually have the boys help me after dinner time, help clean up. One will wipe down the table, the other will help put stuff away and gather dishes and stuff like that. And that is it for this cook and clean with me. My kitchen's all nice and clean. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.